Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you what to do if you get Shopify banned. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing is, you want to go ahead and appeal it. So if you've done dropshipping and you have actually taken other people's content, it's going to be a bit harder to appeal. But if you actually didn't do any copyright, you didn't take anyone else's images, you didn't copy other people's copywriting, then you should be able to successfully appeal. You can appeal that, hey Shopify, I did not copy them. On top of the appeal, you can actually give them a call, jump on their live support, and report that you didn't do anything. And if you did do something wrong, then you're probably going to have to create a brand new store. And you definitely want to use different details, or that's going to link it to your old Shopify store. And you're going to get DMCA or banned again. So that would probably be my 2 advice. 1. Appeal it or contact Shopify support. And 2. Create a new store and make sure you don't repeat the same mistake as you did before. So that's basically what to do if you get Shopify banned. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.